Alright, all set to ride now. So you can see the lineup. So that's the car. So the plan is to next to go to a place in Kerala. So now the inclination begins. You have to climb till there. I think possible, not so difficult. But the best part is, despite of being this hot, go bidodru. Go bidru nodo. Go alli. Bike alla. One of our guys stepped. I think it happens because of that, I suppose. A little bit slippery sand. Jai Bajrangabali. I think he would have slipped it here. I want to stop more. This is not. It doesn't feel inclined. I want to test it out. So the Kotagir. It's not Kotagir. Something. There'll be an accent basically. But such cool weather. I think there is some military airbus or such something around here, I guess. Lot of officers miss everything. Look at the beauty of this, man. It's crazy. I actually slipped it to the right. I thought I'll put the bike down, but luckily it got balanced and it came to center. KTM, I would have dropped it. I've seen many times like this, but surprise. I have to go back and check. My wrist is paining, but I don't think nothing would have happened because I already had a sprain. I met with a small active accident, so I suppose nothing would happen. But now see, when we come out of military area, look at the pollution, dust, the way they maintain things, right? I think the entire infrastructure and road administration should be taken over by military, and then they'll keep it more organized. I know that there will be a lot of pressure from the state, but I think given a chance, they should do it for sure. Me and Apram are like crazy. He was keeping the speed of this. Very nice of him. He rides at 10 RR. Look at him fish. He's pushing. Take it easy, bro. So stopped here. Did you think that I stopped to show my GS? Absolutely no. I'll show you a view from the GS. Look at this fight. So with that, we are about how much? 2 hours away from here. I think that's the plan. And I'll keep the phone device like that, and I'll take one small reel. Such beautiful trees, man. Wow. Corners, I can't believe how can this handle like a super sport. Very flickable, not too super sharp like super sport, but I mean it holds its line so well. Maybe if this has something like a Rosso 3, it will stick much more. This is somehow sort of a road focus, like 70% road focus tire. This is not even a dual compound, by the way. So we stopped here for lunch. 3-9 Gudlur is the place. So let's see. So done with lunch, we ate whatever we got. I don't know what all we ate, but somehow. So the plan is to ride back. So the place is about like an hour now. So Kerala border basically. Then after that we will head to Nagaroli. That is for tomorrow. For now we'll stay in Kerala. So with that, I will see you on the bike. Alright, I think this is a place called Sultan Talesari something whatever. Look at the girl's reaction. Let her do. If you go down, it's Mysore, and if you go right, no, it is actually the other way. Sorry, if you go right, it's Mysore, Bangalore, and then Pupalli Kuruva Island. So this is the parking. So let's go from here. More area. So I'll go up and see. So the number of kilometers that I've done is how much? 476. Not bad. Lot of ghat sections now. That's why if you take like Tumkur, Chitradurga, you'll finish off soon. So I'll see you up. Peace. Alright, so welcome back. So we logged into this room. So this is a room that we have. It's a space for two, and all my friends have gone out to get something. You hope you understand when boys are there. So this is a double bed bathroom. Please ignore the mess. And there is a bathroom that we have. And of course these are my stationery area. And despite if you don't know how my BMW keys would look like, and I've put an air tag for that, alright. I'll show you, hold on. This is how it looks. So this is the BMW key. And it's my bike key, and this is the air tag that I put just in case for safety. So it's important, right? So with that, we'll see you probably, I think we're done anyway. Tomorrow we are also going to head to Nagarode. From Nagarode we are planning to do early morning trekking around 5:30ish in the morning. Hopefully we will be able to do it, and I will let you know soon. Yeah, peace, bye.